I mean, being an Indian IIT, like graduating from an IIT or else getting a certification in something from IIT itself, it's like branding thing. In my opinion, I guess. One day, I just came up with this ad on Instagram. There was something IIT related certification in AI, and AI is very unique and new thing in industry. We all know that.
So, what was your first thought when you got the admission confirmation mail?
I was happy about that. I mean, like, I got selected. I wasn't sure because, like coding, I didn't work on coding like for many years, and still I was just getting selected. So it was a huge thing for me. I didn't expect that I would even be selected for this course right now. But yeah, I was happy about it, and it's going great so far.
But my question was, why not choose a full time course? Like, you're just studying. Why choose something where you have to balance both? Or, like weekend bhi gaya, weekend pe kuch plan nahi kar sakte ab to. So why choose
That's
this?
that's one thing, because I didn't want to take a break from a job. I can't quit it as well. Otherwise, it would be like financially problematic for me.
Right.
I had to like give or provide something within family as well. I was a bit concerned at the moment when I was asked to like pay that. I mean, whatever the fee were there for the course itself, and I was like after hearing the whole amount, and I was thinking that is it even like I'm paying that much, but is it even legit source from the IIT itself?
Is there a collaborative sort of a like your batch or your class? Is it like very collaborative? Are the teachers that supportive even if it's new for you? Are you able to catch up with other people?
Yeah, actually, teachers are very supportive. Even if you get any question in mind and you would like to ask, you can just go for it and you can get it clarified at the same time.